Everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to turn off location on Facebook. So let's begin. Firstly, go ahead and open your Facebook. Go to your account and right up above there is setting page. Click on the setting. After clicking on settings, go down and you will find device and permission right in your activity. Click on device and permission. Go ahead and click on location. After you click see info, you can see update settings right over there. Go in open devices settings. After clicking that, you can see there is no more permission allowed. Go ahead, click on it. Go to your location and it's already denied. You can allow it as well, deny it. So we want to deny it, so it's denied. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.